Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the measure placement corner function of the machine, one of our 3 alignment functions. Step number 1 is already done. I'm already in mode number 2 and I already passed the laser system, so that's good. Here I'm already in hand mode. Now I need to go to the preparation mode of the controller with this button. Good. Now I'm in the preparation menu and I'm picking the measure placement corner function. Entering it. Good. That's the menu. First step, I need to know what I'm measuring. So I'm checking the coordinates of my physical reference cube on the model. That's x76, y 368, z minus 265 on the x plus, y plus, and z plus corner of my measuring cube. Good. So this data is already typed in, so I don't have to do it in this case. And also the right corner is picked out. So in the graphic we're also on x plus, y plus, and z plus. So I don't need to change the corner for this function. Okay. I'm gonna call my placement G156, and in the end it's gonna be saved here. So I'm good to start my function. Now the info bar is coming, telling me table position is on 0 or 180 degrees. Continue with NC start. Good. So I'm pressing the NC start button. Placement measuring is selected. Continue with NC start. Just doing it again. Okay. And now I can move to point 1 and start measuring. The graphic shows me where I need to start measuring. So I'm measuring on the upper side of the measuring cube. Good. Taking my hand box, switching it on. Okay. Okay, I'm going very close. I know that I'm having a measuring distance of 15 millimeters. So I need to be in a distance in measuring direction of 15 millimeters. I think that should be alright, so I'm pressing start. And now I can see that my probe starts flashing. That means it's activated. And now if I'm turning the feed rate up, the machine starts to move. Okay. After touching the surface, it's going back to the point where it started from, and then I can go to the next point. The graphic in this case is showing me where to go. So now it wants me to measure this surface, which means I'm going to measure in the y-axis. Good. Probe is ready. We start measuring. Good. So, back to the graphic. Now we measure the last point in x direction. Here in the info bar you can see that the machine is telling you what to do. Okay, and start. Good. So, our reference cube is measured. Just put my hand box back here, switch it off. Good. Now in the info bar you can write values in the selected placement table. Continue with NC start. Yes, I definitely want to do that, so I'm pressing the start button again. And now it tells me function is finished. Okay. So, as I said, I called the placement 156.1. So now I'm switching over to the MDI mode. Okay, going to my usual work mode here. And now I need to activate this placement. So I'm typing in here 156.1. I press the enter button. Now the block is activated. and then I'm pressing NC start. Okay. And now you can see in the x-axis on 84, which is very close to what we typed in the z-axis on minus 270, which is also very close to the coordinate that we typed in, and the y-axis is on 541. It's quite far apart from where we're standing, because we should be at 368. That's something that definitely will happen to you at some point. It's good that it happens here in this video, because in this case, if the coordinate looks like it wouldn't fit, you go back to hand mode, and then you switch from RTC off to RTC2 on, because now the machine is not calculating with the tool tip. It's calculating with the point where the color chuck is stucking in the spindle. So it's calculating without tool. That's why we're so far apart from where we actually are. So we're switching over to RTC2 on, and now it's calculating. Now it's calculating with the tool which is activated. It's tool number 60. That's the probe, of course. And now, if you have another look at the coordinate system, it tells us 362. So that means, if you have a look at the tool and the cube, so we're standing quite close to that coordinate, which has these numbers. So I would say that's quite right. Okay, and that's it for this function. So you have created a new coordinate system. Thank you.